I just got my hair done.
We're at the pumpkin patch now.
Still sizzling. If you know me, you know I love everything fall. I love apple picking, I love pumpkin picking, and I am so happy to report that in today's video we're actually doing both. I actually just did my makeup. I feel like it doesn't look good right now because my hair isn't done. I can never see when an outfit vision, a makeup vision, a hair vision is gonna look good all together until everything is all complete. I did my makeup off camera because I actually have a hair appointment to go get my hair done. For my birthday, my boyfriend's mom got me free blowouts, and as a lot of you probably know by now, I'm moving to Florida in less than 3 weeks, and the salon is only up here in New Jersey. I have 3 and I only used 1, so I figured it'd be a great time to go get my hair blown out before I actually go pick up my friends and we go to the farm so I can get some cute pictures. For outfits, I'm really having an issue. I have no idea what I want to wear. I definitely know I want to wear this white long sleeve shirt from Princess Polly as my base, and maybe this oversized cardigan from American Eagle, but I'm not sure because my vision was this skirt from American Eagle, and my only problem is it's really short, but it does have built-in shorts. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's fine. I'll put a picture of me trying it on the screen. I feel like it looks really cute, and I would wear it with these boots to kind of tie in the white from the top, or I'm bringing another outfit just in case I decide I don't like it. I have these black jeans, and then I would either wear it with this top and this cardigan or this sweater, which is from TJ Maxx, and I feel like this would be giving more cozy vibes, and then I would probably pair it with these Uggs. I'm not sure though. I feel like the first outfit I showed is giving more apple picking, and this outfit's giving more pumpkin picking, and I'm doing them in different days, so I'll have different outfits. And then I'll be taking this purse from TikTok shop to go with it. So I feel like I want to do the first outfit and maybe just have the jeans on me to go change really quick after taking the pictures. I'm gonna go to my hair appointment, get my hair done, and then decide once me and my friends are actually at the farm, because that's when I'm gonna change out of my sweatpants that I'm currently wearing because I love being comfortable. Let's go to the hair salon. I'm in my car, but I also have another option because I ordered this from Amazon last night. Everything that I have that I wanted to wear is packed because I started my packing process, but I ordered this from Amazon last night. It's a little denim skirt, and I felt like this would be so cute to wear with an oversized sweater. So I also have this option. We're gonna see what looks the best, what works the best, and then go with that. And then I also ordered these little sunglasses because I felt like they'd be a cute little accessory. I don't know if these are gonna look good on me. I don't know. Do those look cute? I got it more because I was thinking like picture. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll wear these. Maybe not. Maybe they're getting returned. I can't tell if they look good or not. Let's go to the hair salon now. I just got my hair done. That was the quickest hair appointment I've ever had. I asked him not to wash my hair because I didn't want to mess up my makeup, but I also washed my hair like 3 times yesterday, and I didn't want to put more shampoo in it when it's already really clean. So even though I love getting my hair washed at the hair salon, it just wasn't in my best interest to do today because I didn't want to damage my hair more. I washed it 3 times yesterday because the first time I didn't expect to have to wash it again. Then I went to a baseball game and a peanut was thrown at my head, and I'm allergic to peanuts, and I was just very, very nervous about this peanut. So I was like, okay, you know what, let me just rewash my hair. And then I spilled something in it, so I had to wash it 3 times. So I told him not to wash my hair. He said it was really clean, so it was fine. So all he did was just blow it out and curl it. It looks really good though. It has a lot of volume to it, and it looks really silky. The products that he used were really good. I just joined a FaceTime call with my friends Brianna and Lizzie because we're going together, and they're about to start getting ready. So right now I'm just waiting in my car. I'm really trying to decide what I want to wear. I know we want to take pictures and I want to get really cute pictures, but I want to match the vibe of everybody else so that the pictures are really cute. So I have 2 options. I'm still in my sweatpants. I'm definitely gonna wear my shirt, which is from Princess Polly, and my cardigan, which is from American Eagle, because it's a little bit cold. It's like 45 degrees right now, but it's supposed to get up to 75 degrees once we're at the farm, so I'm not too worried about that. And I feel like the sunglasses would actually look cute for a picture with this outfit, so I'm gonna definitely bring that. I'm thinking I might want to go to Starbucks. I'm not sure. I've been trying not to get coffee or a refresher lately because my stomach has been giving me a lot of issues. I haven't had any coffee in probably around a week, and when I say any coffee, I mean from a coffee shop like Starbucks, Dunkin', local coffee shop. If I had any, I was making it at home and only had a certain amount, if that makes sense, because I've been very nervous lately and I feel like it's not helping my stomach. I think it's just just a lot of nerves with my move because there's a lot of stuff going on that I want to get done, obviously, and I feel like I don't have enough time to do it before we move because we move in around 3 weeks, and I think it's affecting my stomach, and literally everything I eat and drink affects my stomach. Like, it hurts so bad, and this isn't normal for me. Like, this usually never happens, and it only happens when I'm really nervous, so that's why I know it's from that. But obviously it's not ideal. Not the biggest problem. I'm not complaining about it. It's very manageable, but obviously it still stinks. So I've been trying to limit out like sweets as much as I can and everything like that. Not completely cut it out because I no longer believe in that, but just limit it to the best interest for myself during this current stage of what I'm going through, if that makes sense. And I like to say it like that because just because I'm saying something now doesn't mean tomorrow I won't feel better and have a sweet treat. I'm just saying right now, meaning today, I'm not, if that makes sense. But I'm not even saying that for this video. I'm just saying that for my other videos because sometimes you'll see me eat a sweet treat and then I don't want it to be like, okay, well, you said that and now you're saying you don't eat sweet treats. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying in this current time, I've just been watching because I noticed it makes me feel better. That was a very long rant, but I did bring a lot of stuff for our apple picking adventure. So I brought my tripod. I brought obviously my sunglasses. I brought a ring light for some good lighting. And then I brought my Canon G7X because I'm going to take pictures on this with my friends. I love how the pictures turn out on that. I'm gonna possibly go get coffee, maybe go pick up my friend Brianna and then get coffee because Lizzie's going to be a little longer getting ready, she said. So if anything, if we do get coffee, I'll just pick her up something. I ended up not getting coffee because I just don't think it's gonna be a good idea, but I did get a bagel. It's a little mini bagel. It has nothing on it because I'm nervous to eat anything before I actually like go apple picking, but I wanted to have something, so I just got a mini bagel before I go pick up my friends. So I'm gonna eat this and drive to go pick up my friend Brianna because she's gonna be ready first, and then we're gonna go to the apple picking farm. I'm so excited. Right now it is only 9:50 in the morning. I will update you when we're there. We just got to the apple farm. We're gonna do a fit check. This is American Eagle, Princess Polly, American Eagle, and I don't remember, but I think Cup Shake.
So this is from my dad's closet. This is from H&M. These are from DSW. They're Nike Air Forces. And mine's from Amazon. 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 Amazon.
Took some pictures and now we're apple picking. So far, a lot of the apples are out of season, but I picked the best one.
I really like that skirt.
Apple secured.
Guys, I feel like there's bees chasing me. The pumpkin patch now.
We can prove it because there's pumpkins.
Pumpkins! Pumpkin!
Okay, but seriously, we're gonna go pumpkin picking now. Taking a break for a bit because it is so hot. We're sitting in the shade. Lizzie's picking tomatoes right now and we're gonna go to the store and get apple slushies because apparently they're really good.
I just picked a bunch of tomatoes. They're very pretty. Oh, this one's kind of split open. I'm just gonna eat it.
Rate it.
Like 10 out of 10. Sweet, juicy, perfect tomato.
Now 3 o'clock. I just got home from apple picking. I got a good amount of apples. I really want to make an apple pie, and I think that the apples I got are perfect because they're not too ripe. They're like the perfect type of apple, and I'm very excited, and I think they look so cute. So I'm definitely gonna make pie. The farm we went to, it was such a cute farm. They had apples, flowers, tomatoes, vegetables, pumpkins. It was so cute, and I honestly had such a good time with my friends. We took so many cute pictures, and I would highly recommend going to that farm. We also went to the little store and they had apple slushies. We ended up not getting them, but they looked really good, and we got some apple cider donuts that were amazing. I think right now I'm gonna change because I'm sweating. It was cold this morning, but it was very hot at the farm. So I'm gonna change, kind of freshen up, and then we're gonna make some apple pie.
Another night and I'm just walking, city lights and people talking. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I wonder if you got that feeling, staring at your bedroom ceiling. To think about me the way I think about you. Could you tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine, 'cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting. Hey, these four walls get.
I don't know if you can hear it, but it's still sizzling. It just came out of the oven. It smells pretty good, but it has to cool for at least 3 hours before trying it, so we're gonna let it cool, but it looks pretty good. It is now the next day. My apple pie came out pretty good. It was a little liquidy when I first took it out, so I had to put it back in to make it not liquidy and all firm, but it did taste really good, and that's the main goal. I don't make pie too often, so I'm happy that it at least tasted good. I was supposed to go pumpkin picking today, but my dad got really sick, and he's gonna be okay, but he had extra Cowboys Jets tickets and he didn't want them to go to waste, so we moved our pumpkin picking to next week with my family, and me and my boyfriend are going to the Cowboys game. He gave us the tickets and I'm really thankful. We're Cowboy fans and we love going to all the football games, so we're about to leave. I'm wearing my boyfriend's jersey, and then I'm wearing some jeans which are from Kenzie, but they're from TJ Maxx, and some Air Force Ones. I feel like this looks pretty cute. I'm gonna take my hair out once we get to the tailgate because then it's gonna be all wavy. It is a little bit hot today, so I'm hoping I'm not too hot in this, but I think it'll be fun. We're gonna drive to the game. I feel like this is like the perfect fall activity vlog because it just goes with what I said, that there's so many fall activities you can do during fall, and one of the reasons I love fall so much. So here's a little outfit. I think it looks pretty cute, and we're gonna go to the Cowboys Jets game. It's a bit later now. I just got home. We ended up going to the game and it was really fun, but it was so hot. Like, we were sitting in the direct sun and oh my gosh, it felt like 100 degrees. I was sweating. I got slight sunburn on my arms. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but it is there. And it was just really hot. But after that, I ended up going out to dinner with my friends. We went to this tavern and it was all decorated for fall. They had these really cute fall mocktails and just really good food in general. I saw Taylor and Ariella. I haven't seen them in a while, so that was really nice. The Cowboys ended up winning, which was amazing, and I had an overall good day. So that is going to be it for this video. I am so excited that I was able to go apple picking and pumpkin picking. I had a lot of fun with my friends, and I'm so excited about all of my pictures and content and stuff like that, and I can't wait to get this video up. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.